The Amazon capsule enables you to share relevant products with readers. To include the Amazon capsule in your hub, click its icon and reposition it as desired. Click the Edit button and add a subtitle if you like. At this point, you have the option to enter in a specific product or simply share results for a specific keyword search. If you have a specific product on Amazon.com that you wish to showcase, click the Choose Specific Products button. You will then be prompted with text boxes into which you can enter in specific Amazon URLs, ASINs, or ISBNs. The easiest option is typically to enter in a URL. If you like, you may add your own description of each item by clicking Add Description. You don't have to have specific products in mind to include the Amazon capsule in your hub. To enter search terms instead of a specific product code or URL, select the Choose Keywords option and enter in specific keywords related to the content of your hub. If you would like to limit the product area of your search or change the maximum number of items to display, utilize the drop-down menus. When you're finished entering in specific items and descriptions for specific products, or keywords and restrictions for general searches, click the Preview Amazon Results button to be sure that the results are to your liking. When you're pleased with the results and wish to make no further changes, click Save.